guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Annie from the musical Annie on Dress to Impress. This is perfect if you don't have a lot of time and the theme is musical. So as you can see, I'm only wearing 4 items and none of the I can't talk, none of them I'm wearing is from VIP. Select this hair and just color it red. Position in the UI at 0.48. Then select this hair and only bangs in that same red color, no adjustments made for that. Get these Mary Janes here and toggle the socks on and color the socks white. And then for the outfit, you just need this one dress, color it red, and then the is it the belt? Yeah, the whatever this is called, white. Then red again, and then white. That is, you can add like a color if you'd like to, but it's as simple as it can get. And that is Annie for y'all. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.